Alright, so guys, welcome to Vlogmas. So today I am going to be meeting up with Keeping Up with Janelle. Janelle is supposed to be here for a long time, but you know, they have stuff to do. So I come in here like a little good as somebody there, and honestly,
don't put on my shoes.
well, me I wait until she load me up feet.
What you mean? You not cook?
No, look down from my lower half, you know. You know, see.
You need a trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Barry, what the hell?
I just decided somebody just
Oh my God.
I just have a sexy fear today, so that I just say, but just stay wait until when you come load me up. And she say you're hungry, so I look about a nice home cooked meal a while ago.
Oh my
and we
God.
just wait, we just want, you know, we just wait for your reaction. Jenny, I thought this would have been nice. You know, well, the other side kind of went up still, but I don't know if it's not really not that bad. Say thank you, Barry.
I run too much joke, yeah, man.
No, look here, people please ignore the place because my yard under renovation. So, I tell Jenny, if you look about some little things, I cannot believe. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe, look there. All of the planting and the granite even offer me one piece.
May I ask you if
I know some you look about like a breakfast, Janelle. Oh, you stay so?
I'm asking if you're hungry.
Janelle, you know, oh gosh, man, watch that. So she have, what is this you have in here? Let me see, walk us through what, this meal that you prepared. Because honestly,
so,
you can't give KFC Zinger and Popeyes one run for the money though. Alright, walk us through this.
Listen, guys.
Yeah.
I have plantain.
Alright.
Right, sir?
Yeah.
Plus, I have the mayonnaise and the cheese right
The
there,
mayonnaise
sir.
and cheese, yeah.
And we have
sausage.
the sausages right there, sir.
Yes.
We have the egg, yes, sir. I want to go, sir.
Watch it now.
Well, I know.
No, what you call the burger, yeah? We have to get a name. Wait, name. Whopper Burger?
Whopping! Whoa!
The Whopper. Alright, so since it is Christmas, coming now which day in Christmas we're gonna put out this, but yeah, we decided to do a TikTok challenge where we learn 4 or 5 TikTok dances or videos and put it together so one can see because it is Vlogmas so we need to celebrate.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have my good friend so I feed her a while ago. And I look about something about me create myself and I gonna call it like the Whopper. And it really have a ring, you know, like it really have a little buzz, you know, yeah. Yes, so the Whopper. And Janelle should like it, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah, nice.
Why keep on and shake up your breast them? So we are
you
going to
know
all this,
why
why you
that's
there?
you
Why you're in a relationship now, you're not supposed to want to touch up yourself this often. Cause look like you all glow like you do something like recently, since week. I don't know, Janelle, like see there? You all look dewy. You get me? Something there, yeah. Just make sure you keep the little sound down, cause you know Angie they both. And they both so just take time with the sound coming on Andrea ear, you know?
Yeah.
Because if you make noise like you will laugh, you know. Jesus Christ. But yeah, so what the first video we're gonna do, Janelle? We're gonna do one where we call the witch you want to this witch. Something like that. So we're gonna try that now. So let's just see how it goes.
This beat is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock.
Hello, it's your girl Keeping Up with Jenny, and I'm here with Dutty Berry today. We're gonna talk about sex
Why you talk so loud?
and the position.
Why you talk so
Oh, we can't stop it here, so. Right, let's go. I'll start the next. Yeah. Come on. Ready? 10 or 10? Come now, right as well.
Oh yeah.
Single and taking.
Taking over this one?
Taking over, yes, sir. Single over this one.
Oh, supposed to walk. Supposed to walk. Yo, we're supposed to walk when we figure it out. Hold on.
Over, yes, sir. Single. Single, taken. Sit. talk too fast.
Yeah.
But that the good is there?
Yeah, so we need to carry that a little bit.
Yeah. We not to make this song. What we going to use? YouTube, Instagram?
Okay, YouTube, Instagram, what we're gonna do? What do? What kind of dance?
Yeah, that one, yeah. YouTube?
Ready? That was awful.
Berry. This is bad berry. Which one is the next one now? Toxic. We're going to see solid toxic.
Solid?
Solid. Toxic.
We're talking about toxic, so.
Solid relationship, you like the toxic one? Which one then?
What's it? Honestly, I never have no idea, so I saw them TikTok video like hard for do and take long because we had a one little 30-second or 15-second TikTok video and look how much rehearsals it take and we never reach a dancing choreography one yet. Look at that! No, look at Janelle. Why is she so focused? Alright, Janelle, yeah. Alright. So right now we're there supposed to learn make the stallion body yada challenge. Janelle Sharon is try to catch it. You catch it, you're supposed to teach me, you know. Alright, so we just want to catch the first part. Alright, hold on. So it goes so. Alright, so look around, man.
We'll catch it. We'll catch it. We must catch it. We're good.
What shall we go to this? What shall we go to this? Come see I do it more than one time. What shall we do it? When we do it, so bloom, we're not going to put it back down. And then we will just go in there. Yeah, we'll just go in at the blue. Come see ya. Make we practice before we start.
That's true.
Ready? What?
Ready?
Ready?
Alright, kill it time now. Kill it. Kill where kill it. Where is that, Junior?
Kill it. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it. Kill it.
You know, so we can do it today. We did two today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we get enough content between something we can do. Look at two. So after two, we can cover feel tired already and we have
God,
things
more
to
that me
do.
I say.
You ready? Oh, you put this
Time, you know?
Timer.
10. Oh, very. Hey. Hey. We'll fuck it up.
Wow, we did it.
We did it.
We killed
One
it.
take.
One take, how we are style like that. We are
Talk
style
to
like
us.
that. No, put on your
Go back
glasses.
for this.
Put on your glasses. Like,
Talk to us.
them not understand, you know. We never gonna choreograph it.
No.
So we don't need for them
No.
for some here. We are Jamaican dancing with the stars.
Yeah.
Look at it right now. One take.
Mama catch my breath.
One take. One take. But I don't understand how they struggle with the video when it wasn't even a choreography. I would have run through. No. But look how they struggle with the one that go walking somewhere. I would have go through this stuff. So.
One go. One, hey, one go now. Hey. 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 Watch very. Hey. 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 How about me? Alright. Struggle. 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 I can't do that struggle. Hey. But bury your body on me.
Sorry, my performance. Sorry.
Who want this stuff in your body? It's them body.
You want to try it again?
Yeah. Look at one again. Hey, run. Run.
Come closer. Yo, man, dito while ago. I'm like, what?
Why?
No, sir.
Why?
Oh, gosh.
Very,
No, sir, meron ito while ago. I said, no, man, I hate this.
very. Give me a second here. I shoot a video right now, so I'm soon call it back. We still
Yeah.
Hey, Barry. How you got it?
Tired retreat.
Yeah. Alright, I could go on one more time. One last time, my night. Barry, no.
What is the camera looks so lean?
Eh.
Oh, you're tired.
Why? No, Barry. I'm tired for you.
Yeah, alright.
I eat that.
We just...
I eat that. I go fix up that one, yeah. Come. Guys, we're done for today. My Facebook Island thing.
Yeah, we're supposed to do about 4
About
videos.
4 or 5.
But you know, half
No, that
halfway.
whole, yeah.
Yeah, because we're not really young like before. We're
Yeah,
like
we are get
16.
old.
Yeah, so kind of
He might
tired.
get old and you know me I follow back at him. So you know that goes, but we are gonna do this again.
Alright, so you're gonna see another one for Vlogmas.
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna say I'll come link me one other week and stuff.
Next, yeah.
We can take on 3 more challenge. Alright, so
Yeah.
we can plan up, exercise
Yeah.
up and there's something there.
So guys, I want you to follow me on Instagram for those who don't know me on The Dirty Berry Show. You can follow me on Instagram at keepingupwith_Jenny, and I'm also on YouTube. Well, to be honest, me not drop no video lately, but in the Christmas we are gonna put up
So we're
whole
talking
heap
like,
of something.
we're talking like brand ambassador, so like
Yes,
to get them with the
another.
training
Remember,
there
say
and
me
something like-
a corporate queen, you know, so me
Yeah,
have
come here,
to
me wonder
do
what
the
one,
things
me say, oh,
then.
yeah, carry yourself, me like it.
So, you can, you see
can
me
do-
there go and go there, you just me. You can go over to my YouTube channel. I have a couple little videos on it and stuff like that.
You
You
can
can
go by your
tune
hand
in.
then.
But as
Continue.
what I say, me I go drop one heap of a new video.
I go force her.
Yes, and with Berry Namakani, you know, say that I go happen. So, when you just go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe at Keeping Up with Janelle. And check out, yes, Barry, you watch the bartender?
Yeah, I'm watching Bartender, I like it.
Yes, you go over
This one is season 3?
season 3.
Yeah.
Yes, you go over Expressions JA and catch your girl Jenny in in Bartender as Slimmers. Yes.
That already.
It's festive, but you go over there. Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
And you know the usual, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
That's just it. Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Ew.
Alright, so yeah.
Oh yeah.